Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Focus 360. Today we came up with another video from 3rd chapter of NCERT and SCERT Class 6 Geography through MCQs. Those who have not watched the previous videos on chapter 1 and chapter 2, please watch those videos first before starting this. The link is given on the description box. Now let us move to the first question. What is the angle made by the axis of the Earth with its orbital plane? Options: 90 degree, 23.5 degree, 66.5 degree, 180 degree. And the answer is 66.5 degree. In this image, you see the axis of rotation. The orange colored line is the axis of rotation. And this is the angle 66.5 degree angle made by axis with its orbital plane. Next, the summer and winter seasons in a year are caused by options: aphelion and perihelion, rotation in solar insolation, variation in solar insolation, revolution of the Earth on its inclined axis. And the answer is revolution of the Earth on its inclined axis. From the options, aphelion is the point of the Earth's orbit that is farthest away from the Sun, and perihelion is the point of the Earth's orbit that is nearest to the Sun. Next, the circle of illumination divides the Earth into two hemispheres. What are they? Options: east and west, north and south, day and night, summer and winter. And the answer is day and night. Now let us understand this in detail. This is the image showing the formation of day and night on the Earth. Due to the spherical shape of the Earth, only half of it gets illuminated from the Sun at a time. The portion facing the Sun experiences day, while the other half experiences night. This circle that divides the day from night on the globe is called circle of illumination. You can see here that this circle does not coincide with the axis of Earth. Next, the Earth completes one rotation on its axis in options: 24 hours, 23 hours 56 minutes 4.9 seconds, 23 hours 30 minutes 4 seconds, 23 hours 10 minutes 14.9 seconds. And the answer is 23 hours 56 minutes 4.9 seconds. Next question. Which of the following satellites helps to telecast TV network programs all over the country? Options: Aryabhatta, Apple, Rohini, INSAT 1B. And the answer is INSAT 1B. Aryabhatta was India's first artificial satellite. It was built by ISRO but launched from Kapustin Yar, Soviet Union in 1975. The full form of Apple is Ariane Passenger Payload Experiment. It was India's first experimental communication satellite launched from French Guiana on 1981, and Rohini satellite was also launched on experimental basis. Next, India's first remote sensing satellite was launched from options: Sriharikota, Baikonur, Cape Kennedy, French Guiana. And the answer is Baikonur. This cosmodrome is the world's first and largest operational space launch facility. Sputnik 1, the first artificial Earth satellite, and Vostok 1, the first human spaceflight, were launched from Baikonur. It is currently managed by Russia. Then Sriharikota is in Andhra Pradesh of India. It houses the famous Satish Dhawan Space Center. Next, the movement of Earth along its own axis is called options: revolution, inclination, rotation, solstice. And the answer is rotation. It results in formation of day and night. Next, the distance between Earth and Sun is maximum on options: January 30, December 20, September 22, July 4? And the answer is July 4. And this is called aphelion. Next, the distance between Earth and Sun is minimum on options January 5, January 3, July 6, September 22. And the answer is 3rd January. And this is called perihelion. Next question. Why stars look more in west than in east? Options. Universe is moving from east to west. Earth is moving from east to west. Earth is moving from west to east. Earth is moving around the sun. And the answer is Earth is moving from west to east. Next, this answer already came. The longest day and the shortest night in the northern hemisphere is on 21st June. And this is called summer solstice. These conditions are reversed in southern hemisphere. It is winter season there. In this image, you see in globe 1 that it is summer in southern hemisphere and winter in northern hemisphere, as the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. In globe 2, it is spring in northern hemisphere and autumn in southern hemisphere. In globe 3, it is summer in northern hemisphere and winter in southern hemisphere. Then in globe 4, it is autumn season in the northern part and spring season in the southern part. Then again it returns to globe 1. This is image of revolution of earth and change of seasons. Next question. The shortest day and longest night in the northern hemisphere is on options 21st March, 23rd September, 22nd December, 4th July. And the answer is 22nd December. This position of the earth is called winter solstice. And these conditions are reversed in southern hemisphere. Just now we saw that. Next question. We have a leap year every 4 years because options. The earth gets shifted out of orbit every 4 years. The revolution slows down a little every 4 years. The length of a year is not an integer number of days. It is a convention. And the answer is the length of a year is not an integer number of days. It takes 365 and 1/4 day to revolve round the sun, but for the sake of convenience, it is considered only 365 days. As a result, 6 hours is saved every year, and it is adjusted to make one day, that is 29th of February, every 4 years. Next question. The earth does not move around its orbit in constant rate. This is due to options. Newton's laws of motion, Ohm's law, Kepler's second law, and law of gravity. The answer is Kepler's second law. If the earth moves closest to the sun, it moves the fastest. And when the earth moves farthest from the sun, it moves the slowest. And the answer is Kepler's second law. If the earth moves closest to the sun, that is the perihelion, it moves the fastest. And when the earth moves farthest away from the sun, that is aphelion, it moves the slowest. Next question. Spring or vernal equinox at southern hemisphere is on options March 21, June 22, December 22, and September 23. And the answer is September 23. It is autumnal equinox in the northern hemisphere. Next question. The Indian satellite used for survey of natural resources. Which one? Options. INSAT, Landsat, Indian Remote Sensing Satellite, NOAA. And the answer is Indian Remote Sensing Satellite. INSAT series are used for telecommunication and broadcast. The full form of INSAT is Indian National Satellite System. And Landsat is used to get data for images of Earth's surface. It is jointly managed by NASA and US Geological Survey. Next question. Autumnal equinox at the southern hemisphere is on options March 21, June 22, December 22, September 23. And the answer is March 21. It is spring equinox in northern hemisphere. Next question. Which part of the Earth's surface experience least variation in incoming solar radiation? Options: poles, equatorial regions, tropics, Arctic and Antarctic circles. And the answer is equatorial regions. Next question. Satellite having the same orbital as that of rotation of the Earth is options: polar satellite, stationary satellite, geostationary satellite, INSAT. And the answer is geostationary satellite. Polar satellites passes through the north and south pole as it orbits the Earth. Next question. What is midnight sun? Options: rising sun, setting sun, dawn, sun shining continuously for 6 months. And the answer is sun shining continuously for 6 months. It occurs in polar regions in summers when the North Pole or South Pole is tilted towards the sun. Next, in which of the following areas the midnight sun can be seen? Options: tropical areas, temperate areas, in Arctic and Antarctic circle, anywhere during solar eclipse. And the answer is in Arctic and Antarctic circle. This is how the midnight sun looks like. Midnight sun is visible in Norway, Alaska state of USA, Russia, Canada, Greenland, Finland and Sweden in the Arctic circle. Next, India's intermediate range ballistic missile is known as options: Agni, Prithvi, Lakshya, Nag. And the answer is Agni. Next, Christmas is celebrated in summer in options: Japan, Australia, USA, UK. And the answer is Australia, as Australia lies in southern hemisphere. Next, the Earth is tilted on its axis. Options: 23.5 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 21.5 degrees, 20 degrees. And the answer is 23.5 degrees. This is responsible for change of seasons. Now let us again see this image. It is already mentioned here, the 23.5 degree angle. Next question. Day and nights are equal at the options: poles, temperate zones, equator, tropics. And the answer is equator. Next, what is the circumference of Earth? Options: 13,000 km, 20,000 km, 25,000 km, 40,000 km. And the answer is 40,000 km. Next, what is EduSat? Options: the rocket that carries man-made satellites to be placed in the orbit around the sun, a newly discovered planet in the solar system, an asteroid, or a man-made satellite. It is a man-made Indian satellite. It is the first satellite, Indian satellite, built exclusively for education. Next, in which year was the EduSat launched? Options: 2005, 2000, 1998, 2004. And the answer is 2004. Next, the heat from sun to the earth is called options: temperature radiation, emitted heat, insolation, solar radiation. and the answer is insolation. Next, the light of sun takes how much time to reach the earth? Options: 8 hours 20 seconds, 8 seconds, 8 minutes 20 seconds, 20 seconds. And the answer is 8 minutes 20 seconds. Next question, the approximate diameter of earth is: options: 10,000 kilometer, 12,800 kilometer, 11,550 kilometer, 9,550 kilometer. And the answer is 12,800 kilometer. Next question, the mean radius of earth is: options: 3,200 kilometer, 6,371 kilometer, 8,455 kilometer, or 5,840 kilometer. And the answer is 6,371 kilometer. Sun generates its energy by: options: ionization, oxidation, nuclear fission, or nuclear fusion. And the answer is already mentioned here, it is nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion of hydrogen nuclei into helium. Next question, how many hours of daylight does the equator experience in September equinox? Options: 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours. And the answer is 12 hours. Next question, the mean distance from the sun to the earth is called: options: light year, parallactic second, astronomical unit, angstrom. And the answer is astronomical unit. Next question, a nautical mile is equal to: options: 5,028 feet, 5,285 feet, 6,066 feet, 6,076 feet. And the answer is 6,076 feet, or 1.852 kilometer. Please remember both of this. It will depend what the options will be given, whether it will given in feet or in kilometer. Next question, which of the following is known as land of midnight sun? Options: Finland, Spain, Norway, Greenland. And the answer is Norway. Next, the color of star depends on their: options: temperature, distance, radius, atmospheric pressure. And the answer is temperature. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video, and also please subscribe this channel. It gives me more inspiration to upload more such videos. Thank you.